This is United We Ride 42 shot 200 gram cake by World Class Fireworks. It's fan shaped, gives that cool effect there. There's the artwork that's found on all sides except on this side. It shows some of the fireworks we should be seeing. Cool stuff there. For the performance, focusing on that, we have white glitter, red, blue, green glitter, purple, blue, white glitter, mine to red, green, purple comet, white glitter mine, silver tail and with whistle, white glitter, tie golden palm, red gleam, blue, brocade crown try. Pretty long performance there, but let's go see this one in action.
Let's synchronized.